We just went to Tom's Confectionery and we got some American snacks.
What do we drinks first?
Yeah, drinks
okay,
first.
you go first.
I got berry lemonade.
Cream soda Pepsi. That's a strong smell. I can smell that. Smelling this from here.
Goes pepper.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, and they're hot Funyuns. Are you okay?
Yeah, maybe don't have like that much.
I feel like one's peanut butter and one's
You
jelly. You're doing it all at once?
It's fine. Oh shit, where did it go?
They're alright. Let's try our
Nerd.
nerds.
Okay. Mild darkies. My type of style.
Yummy doggy doggy.
The biscuit inside.
Wait, has it got biscuit actually inside?
Yeah. Can you eat it? Can I eat biscuits?
No.
How do I know if it's...
Should I just have a little nibble?
Yeah, have a
I
little.
already have a little nibble. Might as well.
You won't regret it.
Exactly.
Thanks for
Like,
watching.